Thursday night, the 20th of January. We've got snow blowing in. I've got the tape measure here. And hard to see Stacy, but she is shoveling. Wow, look how deep that is.
I enjoy shoveling.
It's a nice aerobic workout.
Yeah, I've been pregnant the last couple winters. Look at that measuring tape.
There's the measuring tape. Maybe coming towards the light. Come to the light. What's the official measurement? 4.5. Feels like we'll get more than that. But it's still coming down, as you can see.
4.5 there. Closer to 5 there. So between 4.5 and 5 inches.
It's pretty good. So you see down the street. You see our front porch covered with snow. A dark Appaloosa circle. There's Snow Watch for Thursday, January the 20th.